kind of want to try some Cucci mayo on the steak. Is that weird? Maybe. But look at this monster of a steak. First of all, I cooked it a little bit longer than I'm used to, just because of how big it is. So it's not as undercooked as I like it. That's okay. Yeah, this dinner was a mission, but it's y'all hear that? Those are my frogs, my pet frogs in my pond. Anyways, I made some mussels, a kale cranberry salad, and then these are bread rolls from this place called Logan's Roadhouse. It's like a Texas Roadhouse. Yum. Seven Up Zero cherry. But this place used to not have cinnamon butter, but now they do. The Kewpie mayo, Kewpie. I'm gonna just call it Coochie. Really good. I have to be careful. Yum. Okay. That was dramatic.